Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Simpsons family sedan. And the big news this week is I got sick of looking at it in gray primer, so I threw some color on here. It's not going to be the final color. It's a bit darker. I'm actually going to be using this Rust-Oleum Sweet Pea as something a little closer to the color we normally see it in. It has been all sorts of other colors over the years. It's even been green in at least a couple episodes, but this is closer to what we normally see, so that's what I'm going to be going with. And then I wanted to set it all together just to kind of get a look at how it's going to appear once it's done. Put a little bit of the interior in. The seats are the original Cadillac seats. I just trimmed down the headrests off the front seat so it looked more like the old bench that was in the car. And I painted them Model Master Africa Mustard as something that seemed pretty close to the orangey brown that we normally see. Like the body, they've been all sorts of colors over the years, but this seems to be the most common one. I went with that. Just kind of taking a look around here. Yeah, I can finally see what it's going to look like now, and really don't have too much more to go on it. I do need to touch up sanding in a few places, like the tops of the fenders here, especially that passenger's fender. Need to give it just one more sanding, and then I'll be ready to throw some primer and the final paint color on it. So hopefully by this time next week I will have it in its final color. So check back then, and thanks for watching.